So your requirement for number 1 is neuro, number 2 is power ISO. So now we're going to install the power ISO. Run. We're going to read me here. Okay. So these are the thing. So here, run. Then click on yes. And here, I agree. Then here, and no need to install this unnecessary. Okay. Click on next. After that, install. Yeah, this is clear. Next again, select all, then check automatic update not required. Clear. So enter the registration. So here I'm going to select this one, copy, where's power ISO? Here, open this one, enter the registration code here, and here is your username. Is okay, you are registered now. Clear. So that is how to create a bootable. Here Windows 10 64 bits. Windows 10 64. Open what? Open Neuro software. Then here select on backup. Then copy DVD. Here, see, if you want to copy a DVD, you can buy a blank disk and you will get another one. Suppose, so I have to create this image. Create this image. Destination drive should not be your DVD, should be your image recorder. And after that, click on copy. It will ask where you want to save. After that, you click on copy. It will ask you where you want to save your disk. Yeah. So here you create a one folder as desktop. Here I write Windows 10 64. Okay. So here click on desktop. Here save. There is not enough of the boot. So I'm going to create this one. Right click here, new simple volume here. Because there is no D drive, I'm going to assign now. Okay, D drive, you will get D drive now because this is not yet assigned as a D drive. So now E drive. Okay, so here, okay, done. Then here, okay. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to change this one, destination. I'm going to change to E drive. Here I'm write them Windows 10 64 speeds. Here change save. Now I'm going to save in E drive. Complete. Otherwise done. Completed. Successfully completed. Going to format the pen drive. Here open the computer. Here is HP pen drive. So right click here, click on format. Here select on NTFS. Start. Okay. Formatted, complete. Open Power ISO. You can right click as admin. Enter the license. License we already entered. Where's the license? Click on here. Tools. You see? create a bootable USB. Clear? So here, then source image, where you save that image file, on the E drive, is it? So here, select, go down, this PC, select on E drive, is it? This is the one, and open. Here HP is your destination, is in your pen drive. So here, after that, USB-HDD, then here click on start, then OK, then it will take time. So that is done how to create a bootable USB. You have to wait till it completed.